Okay, so hey YouTube, today's my first video. This is Audience Melody channel, and I just started this today. So today I'm gonna be doing a review on a little RC car I have. I have some few Losies, but they broke, and I have their gas, so I have to refix them. They cost me $800 to fix the whole thing combined. So today I'm doing one from I got this car at Ross. So I'm gonna try to go off-roading with it. I mean, it needs new batteries because I went in water with it a lot today. So I'm going to go show you guys it outside, alright? Hold on just for a sec. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my car out. I'm going outside. Mommy, I'll be outside. Alright, see you. Alright, today I'm really doing a video on, like I told you before. Alright, it's RC car time. I'm gonna go on gravel first. Yeah, you can see I live in an apartment. Hold on a sec, let me just start it. Start button is right. My start button is right there, so let's turn it on. This is the remote. I got it for the $13. Okay, so sorry, I'm only one kid, so here, so my friends are inside. I'm only holding the camera by myself. So on that way, sorry about that, guys, but hold on, guys, sorry. See if I can find that rock. If you guys didn't see that, here, I'll do it again. I found that rock. Okay, now I'm gonna go put this to the test. Let's see if I can do on sand. I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna put the car. Sorry, I'm gonna put the camera on the car though. So yeah, not bad. It's an off-road store. I'm gonna tell you guys something. There you guys go. Bada bing, bada boom. I just move it. See how deep it is in the ground? I'll even show you. See that deep spot? Oh wow. Oh wow. Now I'm gonna drive it through the water. First let me try this on the dirt. You guys probably haven't seen it on the dirt. Hold on. Paper drive on it. Yeah, it's not very powerful. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the street now. Sorry guys, I'm outside, so I'm not gonna get very good of view. I'm gonna attach the camera on the car again, right? I attach it right here on the bumper. So oh, sorry. Camera's about to fall down. I'm gonna do something off-road grass right now. Like really off-road. Oh, sorry guys. I went over a bump and I hit my camera. So yeah, I have to hook it up again, I guess, maybe. Sorry about this. My mom's car, my dad's car's over there. It's a truck. Ford off-road. Blue. It's not a Toyota, it's a Ford. I mean, sorry, it's gray. It's not a Toyota. It's a Ford, Ford F-150, not a Raptor. It's just an old 2000 something one, 2003 or something like that. Alright, anyway. Oh my god. If you guys didn't see that. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna end the video. So please subscribe and down below, and please like and rate a comment. Bye.